Florida Natural Farming at Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm. I'm over here looking at this Kwai Muk tree for fruit. I sent away all my seeds, so I have one more person that I have said I would send seeds to. There are just not a lot of seeds this year, which is good. I see a lot of fruit still in here. I see a fruit there, I see a fruit there, but none of them are right. Oh, there's one. See, there you go. Delicious Kwai Muk fruit. Have to come out here and pick leaves for the from the trees to send off to someone. Sorry. I don't know what was going on with my camera there. I'm practicing sending out the leaves to people, and so today I want to talk about the guava leaf. It's a big pileated woodpecker. Guava leaves have so many known medicinal powers, and they're very high in protein and have a large percent of amino acids in the protein. And chains of amino acids are called peptides. And this jackfruit is not quite ready. Jackfruit leaves, I learned, have the enzyme pepsin to break down protein. So guava leaves contain the protein, so it makes sense to do a tea from both of those leaves. And I want to start freeze drying them, but I haven't done that. I just started getting into processing the leaves, so I've sent out my first set of leaves yesterday, 16 leaves, different leaves of 4 different plants, 4 leaves from 4 different plants. The Garcinia humilis, Garcinia intermedia, the Kwai Muk, and I can't think of the other one. Yeah. What was the 4th leaf? Oh, the MB. I knew it was another Garcinia. I had made a tea out of all 16 leaves. I just heat the water up to almost a boil and then put the leaves in there and then take it off the heat and set it for like at least 7 hours or so. A few hours at least. And then I chill it and I drink it. Let me go look at our guava tree, big guava tree. I have a few different types of guavas. Look at how beautiful it is here. So guavas have peptides in them, and peptides supposedly the therapeutic effects from products made from peptides could rival that of modern medicine chemicals. So peptides are in guava leaves. Peptides. Peptides. Yeah. It's all so complicated, all that stuff. But really, when you start looking at what it does, The guava leaves can, peptides are responsible for endocrine, so diabetes and stuff. So one of the cures for the guava leaves is for diabetes, or regulating blood sugar, they've found. Peptides are responsible for the signaling mechanisms in your body. The the neurons in your brain all have peptides in them, and they don't accumulate in your body, so they can travel freely when they're not in use. They get excreted very easily. So unlike modern medicine that accumulates in your body, this doesn't. I don't know. Peptides are responsible for all kinds of stuff, for pain. So, what else? For antimicrobials, for basically all your bodily functions peptides are responsible for making them operate at optimal peak performance, I guess. I think all this stuff is what's missing from our diets. They all talk about proteins, but if you're getting your protein from a cow that's being fed dirty feed, probably you're not going to really get maximum benefits from that protein. Just like if your plants are being grown as an install, so it's disconnected from nature. That's what I like about biodynamics. They want to help people create natural farming systems, basically, is what they want to do, I believe. I know they support this one wholeheartedly, and we're biodynamic certified. And we like that. So we grow everything by making our own compost and raising our farm animals holistically. So inflammation is just a disturbance. Caused by pollution, probably. There's a little guava tree. I don't know which one this is, but it's a seed-grown guava. It's a gift of mine from my friend Frank. Thank you. It's a pretty big guava tree. I need to get leaves off this today. So the leaves, I guess freeze-dried, you could, I guess there's so much nutrition in the leaves, especially with their almost 10% protein by weight, dry weight. And full of vitamins and minerals. So I know I'm kind of trying to develop this products, the leaf products from Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm, fruit trees, because there's different and sometimes more nutrition in the leaves of these rare tropical fruit trees than in the fruit. And a lot of times, which is the case with the guava and the jackfruit and the mango, it's been used in medicine, traditional medicine, for thousands of years, and we just I've never looked at it because of our poor diet here. I have a new appreciation for the guava. Once I started really looking, I've kind of been in a black hole of bioactive compounds in different rare tropical fruit trees lately, in case you haven't noticed. And it's just like, it's so much information. And then of course they want to make products out of these identified molecules, peptides, from the plants that the peptides are in, or are grown in. But it has to be like a clean source, I think. So unfortunately, people like to spray stuff on their leaves. I guess technically I can't sell the leaves of these plants because I did my BD 500, but I'm not selling the leaves. I did it not too long ago, and I think there's a wait period in Florida for BD 500. But Biodynamic Association, I don't believe, has that wait. I think that's only if you're organic certified. I need to check with them because I haven't really started selling technically haven't started selling the leaves yet. Still trying to put a price on them and perfect how to ship them. So I'm still in the research and development phase, but I know they work just by my own experience and experimenting on my partner and asking them how they feel and if they're stressed or whatever. So they're full of antioxidants, and antioxidants prevent inflammation, phenolic compounds and stuff. I'm just talking about the peptides that are in there, the proteins. But there's so much stuff in there that all works in a synergistic, healthy, beneficial way when consumed. And then when the peptides get into your stomach, they become bioactive compounds, peptides, bioactive peptides that when you sleep are endorphins that your brain releases that help make you feel better. I'm fairly certain that the only way to get them totally clean is to have a wild, undisturbed space to let the plant grow in. The disturbance causes inflammation on us. It definitely is causing inflammation on the soil. I believe all the fungi and roots are the blood veins of the soil and shouldn't be discounted and compacted and driven over and buried. I don't think that's the right way. Anyway, it's Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm. Hope you have a beautiful day.